Hello friends, in this video we are to see how list comprehension works in Python, and we are going to explain using 4 different examples. We shall first show how you can use a for loop, then we shall also show how to use list comprehension in Python within the same example. So with our first example, we are going to start by creating a list of squares from our list called numbers. So we'll start by using a normal for loop. We're just going to turn all these numbers within the list called numbers into squares. I'm just going to do this faster. So just create this list called squares. Then I'll create a for loop for num in numbers. So we append our num into squares, then asterisk squared. So we go on and we print our list, the squares. So if we run the code, you shall see the results. And if you run the code, so these are our squares. This is using a for loop. We are using 3 lines. So let's see how you can use list comprehension to do this in our first example. So let's simplify this code, these 3 lines of code, just 1 line of list comprehension in Python. So we shall set squares underscore list to our list comprehension. So we shall have our expression. So here in this case, our expression will be this num x plus 2. That's the expression that we want to transform into. So we want to square all the numbers within the list. So we shall here include our loop, which is for num in numbers. So this is the numbers, the list we used in the first example, numbers. And then we go on and print our squares underscore list. So just with 1 line, we've simplified our code of 4 lines or 3 lines. So you see the same results. So this is our first example. We are going to go to our second example, and before you go on, I want to show that for more details about this, links in the description to my blog post, because I've already created a blog post which has more details about this video. So with our second example, we are going to get even numbers from our list, which is the list called numbers. So as we've done in the first example, you're going to first use a normal loop to say how to do this. I want to do this just faster. So let's create an empty list called even. So for num in numbers, if our num percentage equal to 0, so we append our num to the even list. So when we print this, we shall get our even numbers from our list. So that's how we do it using a for loop, and we're going to see how we do it using list comprehension. So let's simplify this code, the 4 lines of codes, with just 1 simple line of list comprehension. So we shall say our even list equal to our list comprehension, we shall first put here our expression, which is the num. So in the loop for num in numbers, and we shall add a condition, because in this scenario we have to put a condition so as to get the even numbers from the list. So if num percentage to equal to 0, I'm not explaining this because this is it's just general knowledge of how to get even numbers in Python. So when you print our even list, you see the results, and it's the same thing. The difference is that For the first four row, we're using 4 lines, and here with list comprehension, just using 1 line, and that's it for today. You can check out my blog post for more information. Link in the description, and here on the screen you can see the blog post. Okay, nice time. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. And if there's anything that you need more clarity about it, you can comment. So next time, bye bye.